cook until they are translucent, or at least the onion will be translucent. Okay. So while meat continue to cook, I am adding bouillon. I cut up half a bouillon cube. These are big ones. And I cut half of it, and I'm adding it to, for flavor. Quick, Anyway, because this is a two-step process. You gotta cook the meat, then you're gonna make the pastry. So pastry is the biggest part of it, I think. I'm now adding some breadcrumbs and for the chicken mixture. I just put about a cup I put in there. This was like a couple pieces of chicken. I don't have a set amount. If you're making for a lot of people, you need more. So I'm just mixing in the breadcrumbs. And my youngest granddaughter does not like too much pepper. My other one, she don't mind pepper, but I'm gonna put a small amount of pepper, and this is pepper that I mixed up in my food processor. Of course, it's for food processor. Or, I have to wash it a lot of times to get that hot pepper. These are Scotch bonnet peppers. So I'm putting a little of it in here. I don't want it to be too hot. Just a little, just a little. Just to get the pepper. You can add more pepper if adults, if kids are not eating it, and if adults are eating it, you can add more pepper. So I'm going to add a little more water now and let it cook down because I don't want it to dry out. And I'll keep coming back to show you the next process. So guys, now I have this is the dough that I'm making. I have added the fat to flour, and I'm making it like similar to how they make puff pastry because of the flour. So in here I have 1 pack of butter, not margarine, I'm using butter. 1 pack of butter, which is a pound, and 4 cups of flour, which is 2 pounds. So it's 1 pound of butter to 2 pounds of flour. So here I added turmeric. It's turmeric, not I was saying paprika. Turmeric. I add a little turmeric and a little curry. I don't want it to be too bright, So this is what I'm doing now, and I mix this the butter and the flour till now it looks like fine breadcrumbs. So I'm gonna roll it out now. As I said, I'm using one hand, so I can, and one hand with the phone. So I'm gonna roll. I'm gonna add water to it and roll it out. I added about 2 tablespoons or tablespoon of turmeric and a tablespoon of curry. I might need a little more. I'll see what happens. But I'm gonna. So guys, I've rolled out the dough for the first time, and I'm adding. I added some butter on top of it. I'm making it just similar to how they make puff pastry. So I rolled out the dough, I added some butter, and I'm gonna fold one part here, then I'm gonna fold this part over here. Because with puff pastry, it's a lot of folding. So I'm gonna fold that, I'm gonna roll that out with my rolling pin. And I'm gonna my granddaughter Sydney is gonna help me with the dough. So Sydney, I want you to do 2 folds on this dough. So I already did 1, and you're gonna fold. Yeah, so take it from this side, fold it halfway in the middle, and then you're gonna take that part and fold it over, right over. Press it down. So now we're gonna roll it again. So you can hold the camera for me. Alright, so roll it here. Okay. Roll it. Press it, roll it. No, try and keep this down.
Okay.
If it's not staying down, you squeeze it, squeeze. Alright, roll.
It smells good.
It's supposed to smell good. It's hard, it's not easy.
No, it's easy.
And we got to make sure under here it has flour, have enough flour. I'm going to have to take it from you, but for now you can help. We got to have enough flour so nothing sticks. Yes, Sydney, you're good with that part. Come over here. And if you can't reach up here, I'm going to turn it around for you. So Sydney is helping me. She always loves to help me in the kitchen. So you're rolling and rolling and rolling. All right, and we're going to do another turn. Let's do another turn. So take this and roll it that way. And take that piece and bring it over. Right over, as far as you can go. Right over, yeah. All right, it's feel a little sticky here.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna put a little flour because the butter is showing up. Butter is showing up. So I'm gonna, so go ahead now, roll. Okay. So turn it this way.
Okay, mash it down.
Yeah, mash it down so that it don't separate. Squeeze, 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 and then you roll again.
Roll again. And
I'm gonna put some more flour so that, and they're working next door and it's annoying. All that noise. Press this, press this. All right, Sydney, I'm gonna take it from you because it's getting, the butter is coming out and the butter is supposed to stay in. Okay. Thank you very much for all your help. All right, guys, I'm gonna continue rolling this out, and when we're ready to cut the patties out, I'll come back and show you. So we've started cutting out the dough. Sydney's cutting out the dough, and we cut some out already. So now, you know, we're gonna add the flour to it. Some of them look too thick, so I might flatten it out and put it in the baking sheet. So we'll see how much that will hold. See? All right, so we're gonna put them on there. Then we're gonna add some of the meat.
This one's a little bit wonky.
It's wonky?
Yeah.
Kids talk, wonky.
Oh, it looks like tortillas.
Yeah, whatever. You should cut off these little fringes. When you see little fringes like this, cut them off, okay? You know, so we've buttered the cake tin, put some butter on the cake tin, grease the cake tin. So you can't rock it like that. Turn it around instead of rocking it. You can't get it, right? So I'll do the rest. All right. So
there we go.
We are going to now. I'm gonna add the meat.
Pick this up. Oh, that's what I should have done.
So I'm adding some meat, and I add them like in the middle, halfway, so that we can have one side. This is almost too much, but I'll see. So now I'm gonna fold it over. I think, yeah.
So we need the fork.
Fold it over, and then do I have the fork?
It was right there. You used it in here though.
No, that's too big. I don't want that.
I just had that fork. Oh, there it is.
So we're gonna turn this around so you could see. So I just use the fork, press them, so that, you know, sometimes the juice, you know, come out no matter what you do. But I just seal it around and sink it in. Sink it in. Sorry for the shot off my hand. But I just sink it in. Hold on. Yeah, you can go ahead. And do that. And I'm gonna do some egg wash. A little egg wash over it. First of all, I'm gonna pour some holes. Just pour some holes so the steam can come out, so it don't burst open, you know. So I'm adding a little egg wash on top here, and so to give it a little shine and a little color. And this is gonna go in the oven at 350. The oven is on already, so we're gonna just put them in. And we're gonna continue from here, and I'll show you when they're baked. So this is, you know, you use anything you have in your kitchen to do the cutout. So we finally finished with making the patties, and we've eaten most of them. And these are the ones that are left. This one I added pepper, you know, I added pepper per patty because, you know, I don't want the grandkids to eat any pepper. But anyway, this is it. We made them, and it's nice and crunchy, and I love the sauce with the chicken and everything. Okay, Sydney, what do you have over there?
So this is my patty. It's already half eaten, but I added spinach and grandma's chicken filling, which it just has chicken and onions and like seasonings and stuff, and her signature crust. So
it's oozing out.
It's so good.
Okay,
because the seasonings and the spinach.
So thank you for helping me, Sydney. We should do more videos like this. You know, collab. All right. So that's it, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and like, ask a question. This is one here where we put spinach. If I had
and pepper.
Yeah, we put a little pepper. I said it already. But anyway, battery. Anyway, we put a little spinach in here. If I had callaloo, I'd use it. But these are so delicious. So, you know, very soft inside and it's just good. Just good. Try them. And I have made these many, many times, at least 10 times a year for the family. We have these for dinner. Something you could do and do it with your kids or grandkids. Right, Sydney? Mm-hmm. Okay. Bye.